All right, we're gonna take this thing up, see what it's doing. Here we go. Ready? All right, here we go. Up and away, full throttle. And rotate. You're up. All right, let's see if we can get a speed pass out of this thing. All right, here we go. Full throttle pass. Man, it's cooking. Shall we do it again?
Yeah, let's do it again.
All right, we'll go even further to the 400-foot mark. Get small quick. All right, you ready?
Let's go.
Here we go. Scary business. Full throttle. All right, we're gonna settle for a landing. Here we go. Dropping the gear. Here we go. There we go. Nice. All right, let's bring it over here and see how fast we got. All right, we got the Avanti down. Here we go. Got the speed GPS in there. Here we go. All right, let's take a look. It's all nestled in there.
Nice and tight.
Nice and tight. 131 miles an hour, all stock, man. 131, there you go.
There you go.
Man, that's quick.
That is.
Like and subscribe. Dude, that's fast.